Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here new textbook. This is your third standard. Today we look here third standard new textbook. Maths Magic book number 3. Okay, all topic revision also completed there, which is important, that topics revision also completed here. Now we learn here new portion. This is your CBSE pattern. Their first topic is where to look from. Where to look means आखिर देखे कहाँ से. Where to look from means आखिर देखे कहाँ से. Here given one story of you. We first read this one story, then some example I show you. Okay, some example I show you. Our teacher told us to draw a picture of a car. Your drawing teacher say you na, draw the picture of a car. All are draw you. Okay, all are doing the drawing picture of car, but all's picture is the same? No, there is some different na. Your imagination also is different. Okay, so see here, we all drew car differently. You all of you differently car you draw there. Next day, when we showed our picture to each other, we were very excited. When you draw the picture, anyone, only not a car, anyone, cat, rat, dog, anyone picture, when you draw, that time you excited na. Now see my friend how to draw there. My also is good, her also is good. You see there. But Anshul started laughing. He was looking at Dheeraj of car. He was looking at Dheeraj drawing of car. When you see any other drawing, that time you laugh. Means how उसने कैसे लिखा है देखो, उसने कैसे किया है देखो, that type ना. Same as it is, Anshul started laughing. Anshul को हंसी आ गई. He was looking at Dheeraj drawing of car. When he looked there, his friend Dheeraj, his drawing. See here, how was that he draw? How he was drawing there? Anshul said, it looks like a small box kept in a bigger one. Means you comment there your friend's drawing na. See there how he draw, how she draw. There is small boxes. Yeah, anyone. How he draw the line, how he draw the hair, his hair, her hair. That type. You commented on your friend's drawing. Said Anshul said, it's look like a small box kept in a bigger box. Small box kept in a bigger box. Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. That time both of them drew the picture of the same car. But the drawing looks like a different. Looks different. See, this one also is car and this is also car there. Dheeraj drawing also, this one also car. Anshul drawing also car's drawing. Dheeraj said he had looked at the car from the terrace. Dheeraj said he had looked at the car from the terrace. When he go to the terrace and look like, आप लोग भी टेरेस से कुछ तो देखते हैं तो वहाँ का आपको क्या दिखता है? टॉप व्यू. उसे क्या बोलते हैं? He see their car's top view. He see their car's top view and Anshul see their car's side view. When you see any one picture, when you see any one thing, that time you see from the front side, you see from the back side, you see from the left side, right side, you see from the terrace. That time you see their top view. And when you see the from the side, that time you look their side view. Understand? Anyone thinks when you see on the heighted, आप जहाँ कौन से भी वस्तु हाइट से देखोगे तो आपको वहाँ पे टॉप व्यू नजर आएगा और साइड में जाके कोने में जाके देखोगे आप तब आपको उसका साइड व्यू देखने को आएगा. सो धीरज ने जो ड्राइंग किया है वो टॉप व्यू का ड्राइंग है. व्हाट यू से दिस वन ड्राइंग? टॉप व्यू ड्राइंग. और अंशुल ने जो ड्राइंग किया है वो साइड व्यू का ड्राइंग है. सो both picture is a correct. Top view का okay. Anybody, you are in the home, okay. Anyone have car and you have terrace, that time you do this thing, okay. Yeah, your friend, you go to your friend home and that time you see. When you go to the terrace, that time you see same picture. Na? And when you see the side view, आपके घर में से देखोगे, साइड में बैठ के देखोगे तो कार का पिक्चर यही नजर आएगा और ऊपर जाकर देखोगे तो हाइट पे जाके देखोगे तो कार का टॉप व्यू यही नजर आएगा. सो बोथ पिक्चर आर सेम. See here, this is your boat house. अब ये आपको हाइट मतलब टॉप व्यू नजर आ रहा है. When you go to the side, that time this one you look there. That time this one is a look there. When you see the from the top, only see this one. Inside also we see. But when you see the side view, that time only you see sides picture. Okay, means this is a boat house. See the top view and this one is your side view. See here, this is your pen stand. When you see the top view, that time you see What is a in the pen stand? You look that there, and when you see the side view, this type you see. This type you see. Okay. See this one bottle. When you see the top view, when you see the top view, this type you see, and when you see the side view, this type you see. Understand? When you see the top side, only we see their cap, and when you see the side view, all bottle we see there. All bottle we see there. Understand how to see? Okay. Next one. Have you looked at things from the different side? Now also I show you. Do they look same or different? Do they look same or different? See here. Here, have you looked at things from the different side? Do they look the same or different? This one, two question we read here. See here. Here two drawings given you. There two drawings given you. This one is a which picture drawing? You guess there? Which picture drawing? ये कौन सी पिक्चर का ड्राइंग है? करेक्ट, टेबल. और ये कौन सी पिक्चर का ड्राइंग है? समझ में आया कुछ? हैव यू गेस? Are you guess there? This one also is a your table view. Your table view. See in the picture, this is your, both are your table. Both is your table. When you go to the table, when you see to the table from the side view, this type you see. And top view also you see there, same like as it is, same like as it is. Understand? See, here is one table. This is your side view, and this is your top view. How to see? Understand? Okay. Understand na? Now, I give you one question for the homework. For the homework. First one question. Draw a picture of car. Draw a picture of car. Draw a picture of car in your notebook. In your notebook. There also you don't draw this type. Dheeraj and Anshul. Whatever you think, whatever you see, means you see side view, you draw their side views of car, you see the front side, you draw their front side of car, you see the back side of car, yeah, you see the top side, you draw there same as it is. Okay? Now, next one. Look at the picture drawn here. how does the table look from the side? Which picture is from the top? Now also we see there. Now also we see there. Okay. Is there side view and top view? First see the picture, say the picture name, then you see that one is a side view, yeah, top view. Okay. Some picture as drawn below. Imagine and how this thing will you look if you see from the top. If you see from the top. You are at home. You are at home. See, in your kitchen, their cooker is okay. You see the cooker. When you go and see their side view, you look like this. And when you go to the near of cooker and you see there a cooker, only cap is there, you see na. This is your top view. This is your top view. Next one, slipper. Slipper also will look like a, I'll show you. My slipper. This is your top view. When you go to the this small you see na, and when you come to the, and this is your side view. This is your side view. Okay. This is your watermelon type fruit is there. This is your watermelon type fruit is there. So when you see to the from the side, this type you see, and when you go to the top, that time you see, you keep that one watermelon on in your door, okay, and you go to the your first floor, second floor, anywhere, and you see there, that is you see small na. This is your cupboard. This is your which view? This one side view. And when you see from the top, that type you see. That type you see. Understand how to do? Okay. There is this one pictures. You see in the practically in your home, practically in your home, side view, top view, front view, back view. Okay. Next one, see what is, see here is one classroom and one cat is here. A cat is peeping into a classroom. Peeping means देख रहा है, देखना. And what they ask the question, can you help her find out where is a teacher? Where is a teacher? See, यहाँ पे आपका क्लास चल रहा है. क्लासरूम में बच्चे भी है और टीचर भी है, लेकिन टीचर कहाँ पे होती है? वेयर इज द टीचर? टीचर इज नियर बाय द टेबल एंड chair. Table and chair. See in this picture, this all is benches and one student is sit there. And where is table and chair? Here. So now cat see to the teacher. Understand where is the teacher? Okay. So you seek. This one line draw you and show to the cat. This is your homework. Okay, this is your homework. You do there. Make a line, yeah, circle there, teacher in your textbook. In your textbook. Understand? Peeping means, all of you understand na? Peeping. Remember, peeping means देखना, देख रहा है. Okay, a cat is a peeping into classroom. Cat is a peeping into classroom. Can you help for find out where is the teacher is? Where is the teacher is? How to recognize your teacher? Your teacher also nearby the table and chair. And where is the table and chair? Here. And there is a one lady. She is your teacher. Okay. आपका क्लास चल रहा है, बाहर एक कैट बैठा है या आपके विंडो में एक कैट बैठा है और वो आपके टीचर को देख रहा है. तब आपकी टीचर कहाँ पे दिखेगी? वो कैसे रिकॉग्नाइज करेगा वही टीचर है बोल के? जब वो क्लासरूम में देखेगा सभी तरफ बेंच होंगे, बेंच पे आप सभी स्टूडेंट बैठे होंगे, लेकिन एक ही जगह ऐसी होगी वहाँ पे टेबल और चेयर होंगे, टेबल और चेयर होंगी. वही दिस इज योर डिफरेंट. दिस इज टीचर इज अ in the classroom. All are student. Only one is their teacher. Means she is your teacher. Cat is a peeping. Okay. Understand now? Next one. B1 question. Here are some picture. Find out from where you have to look to see the things this way. See? This way. See here. Staircase, table, chair, pencil. It's look like a pencil. Bus. All things given you. And what they say, find out where you have to look to see the things this way. Means आप कहाँ से देख रहे हो वो लिखना है. कहाँ पे लिखना है? See here. This is your in a rectangle box. Rectangle. First one semi-rectangles means what? Opposite sides are same. Opposite sides are same. See here. Opposite sides are same. See, this one is a staircase. Staircase. Okay. This is your top view. No, this is your side view, na? Side view like this one. Top view like this one. Yeah, front side. Okay, this is your side view. Right in there. In here. Side view. This is your staircase. Next one is your staircase. You write there from front side. Front side. This is your table. Table, how to look, how to see. Now also we practical do na. So this is your top view. Chair. Chair. Side view या top view. See here also chair. This is your side view या top view. This is your side view and top view look like as it is. So in the given picture chairs, which view is there? Side view. Pencil side view या top view. How to recognize? This is your side view and this is your top view. Sharp is there na? Right there, top view. Bus, side view. Right there, okay? That is your homework. Draw top view of few things and ask your friends to guess what they are. Draw top views of few things and ask your friends to guess what they are. You draw here 2-3 picture and ask to your friend या फिर you ask to your parents. Okay, nowadays you are in a home, so you ask your parents. Yeah, you say the parents, one draw the picture on a book, and I say you answer. That one is your top view या side view. But this question also you solve. You draw here and write there. That one is your top view या side view. Okay. 2-3 picture. Anyone you want. How many you want? You draw here. Understand now? Today's homework. First one, in your notebook, draw a picture of car. Okay, and write there that one is a top view या side view. Second question, draw a picture of chair and write there that is a top view या side view, and see in your home cooker, slipper, fruit rack या cupboard. Look like their side view and top view. Then next one, a cat is a peeping into classroom. Can you help find out her? The teacher. Circle, where is the teacher? Here are some picture. Find out from where you have to look to see things this way. This is your side view, top view. Also write in this rectangle column and draw top view of few things. Ask your friends to guess what they are. Draw here any one picture and ask your friend, ask your parents. Yeah, parents draw here. Ask to your child. This is your top view or side view. Right there. Okay. Thank you.